Hello guys, and in this video I'm going to show you guys how you can animate any drawings using this website, which is called AI Tools Arena. Okay, so it's a really handy website if you're into animation, and just using simple drawings you can actually animate them using this website, like AI animation generator free, animate image to funny video. Okay, so basically we just need a drawing, and I'm going to show you how you can actually use this website. So once you go to this link here, right here, you just have to search for AI Tools Arena on Google and you'll just land here. Okay, so after you get here, what you're going to do here is you're going to click on visit animated drawings. I've just clicked on it, and this is the window that is opened, and you can see here these images, they are just giving these images for samples and showing you that this type of images can be used to animate the drawings. Okay, so to get started you need a drawing of your own, so you can just download it from Google, and I've already got one and I'm just going to put that here. Okay, so you can see here this is my drawing that I downloaded from online. It's a drawing of Patrick from SpongeBob, and we're going to edit this one. Okay, so we're going to edit Patrick, and after I uploaded it, it'll just come over here and I can just click next. They're going to analyze it, so it's asking me, would you like to help our research? Okay, agree. All right, no problem. Okay, so you can see here this is a scale that we're going to use. So you can see that this you can just drag all of these down to just really animate which part you want to get animated. Okay, so this has I have this whole picture covered here that I want to animate. So now I'm just going to click on next, and they're going to analyze it again. Now you can see this with these controls I can actually use the animations. Like if I click here or here, you can see we can actually add these masks. Okay, so I'm going to now click on next again because the masks are applied. Now you can see that if I want, I can actually move this here, like here and here, so that the limbs can move as well. Okay, so I'm going to click on next after this, and we're going to see the animation that's going to happen right now. So you can see that this first scene, this is going on right now. If I click on this one, so you can see here Patrick is running right now. Okay, so in this scene, this is Patrick running, and if I go with this one, you can see here Patrick is waving at us. And then if I go to this scene, so just like that you can actually make all these animations using any type of simple drawings. All right, so if I want more animations, I can actually just click on these, and whichever animation I actually like, I can just download it. All right, so for instance, I want this one. Okay, so I want this animation, and I'm just going to go to full screen, and right here you can see here, if I click that, there is this download option. I can just download it. So I'm just going to show you how I download it. So once I'm downloading it, you can see here, once I'm downloading it, I just have to save this, and now it's downloaded. Okay, so if we want to see the video, we can just play this video, and you can see here this is just a video format of 3 seconds, and we can actually see that Patrick is dancing. All right, so that's how you create animations very easily using this free website. You can just do any animation you want with this website. It's actually an AI tool website, so all of these are made with AI. So all of these animations, they're made with AI. All right, artificial intelligence. Okay, so if you like this lesson, please practice at home, and if you have any trouble, you can actually contact us and let us know what trouble you're facing. All right, so I'll see you in another video. All right.